Welcome to Module 1 of this video series course. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Rather than being programmed with specific instructions to perform a task, machine learning systems use algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and then make determinations or predictions about something in the world. This ability to learn from data allows machines to perform tasks without explicit programming for each task. Importance of machine learning. Machine learning is reshaping how we interact with technology in our daily lives, from personalized recommendations in streaming services to autonomous driving cars. Its significance lies in its ability to process vast amounts of data at a speed and accuracy that humans cannot match, leading to more efficient processes and insights across various industries such as healthcare, finance, and retail. Let us now understand types of machine learning. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, the model learns from a dataset that includes both input data and correct outputs. The goal is to train the model so it can predict the output when it is given new data. For example, by analyzing historical house price data, where each record includes features like size, location, and number of rooms along with the price, a supervised learning algorithm can predict the price of a new house listed on the market. Unsupervised learning involves training a model using data without labeled responses. Here, the goal is to explore the data and find some structure within. Clustering and association are common unsupervised learning tasks. For instance, unsupervised algorithms can analyze customer purchase data to identify clusters of shoppers with similar buying behaviors. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by performing certain actions and receiving rewards or penalties. This learning approach is often used in robotics, gaming, and navigation. For example, a chess-playing algorithm that improves its game over time through millions of matches is using reinforcement learning. Machine learning technology is not just a futuristic concept, but is part of many practical applications today. Here are some common real-world examples. 1. Customer service. Automated responses and ticket sorting in customer service centers are typically powered by machine learning algorithms. 2. Healthcare machine learning models assist in disease diagnosis and personalized treatment plans based on patient data analysis. 3. Finance algorithms are used in fraud detection, risk assessment, and automated trading systems. 4. Retail personalized shopping experiences and inventory management are optimized using machine learning. And 5. Transportation routing and predictive maintenance in logistics heavily depend on machine learning tools. By understanding these foundational aspects of machine learning, including what it is, why it is essential, the types of learning, and its applications, you're better equipped to dive deeper into how exactly these algorithms function and can be applied across different sectors. This knowledge will not only facilitate your learning in upcoming modules, but will also provide a broad overview of the capabilities and impacts of machine learning in various fields. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this online training module. I hope you found it valuable and insightful. To stay updated on upcoming content, including new modules, case studies, and quizzes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share in your community. Your support helps me create more content that enhances your learning experience. Don't miss out on the next steps to watch other module videos to deepen your understanding and apply the concepts in real-world scenarios. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.